Hey, what's up? Here with another video. July 6th, it was my queen's birthday. She wanted to go to her favorite lake, Haviland Lake, here in Durango, close to Purgatory. And yeah, it was thundering, but as you can see over here, it clears up. I did a nice little time lapse for you guys, and then I pulled out the drone. We wanted to do the paddleboard, but it was a little too cold. But it was still a beautiful evening with my queen. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video of getting there and the drone shots. Thank you.